In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automatic matching in QuickBooks. Automatic matching helps QuickBooks connect the transactions coming in from your bank feed with the ones you've already recorded, like invoices you've received payment for or expenses you've entered. Done right, it cuts down on manual work and keeps your books accurate. First, head to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in your company, we'll work from the banking area where the bank feed lives. If you use multiple companies or profiles, make sure you're in the correct file before you continue, so the transactions you see are the ones you intend to match. Next, open the Bank Transactions page. You'll typically find this under the Transactions or Banking section in the left menu. This page displays your connected accounts and a feed of new items. If an account isn't visible, it may not be connected yet. Automatic matching relies on that live bank feed, so it's worth confirming those connections outside of this walkthrough before you rely on automation. Now look for the small gear or settings icon on the bank transactions screen. It's usually at the top right of the transactions table. Click it to open the settings specific to this view. This panel is where QuickBooks groups options for how items are displayed and how automation behaves. It's the control center for features that can auto-suggest or auto-confirm matches, and it's the best place to tune your experience without leaving the banking page. Open the automation review from this settings area. Here, QuickBooks summarizes what it's found and how it plans to handle incoming items. Automatic matching typically looks at key details like amount, date, and payee to find an identical or near identical transaction you've already recorded. This section helps you understand what's happening behind the scenes, so you can decide how confident you are in letting QuickBooks match items for you. When you see a highlighted suggestion on a transaction, click the highlight to review it. The highlight indicates QuickBooks believes it has a strong match. Use this preview to confirm the payee, the amount, and the dates align with what you expect. If auto matching is enabled, QuickBooks will handle the confirmation for you. Reviewing the highlight simply gives you the assurance that the proposed match is correct. If anything looks off, adjust the underlying record outside this flow first so future matches improve. A few tips as you go. Keep your customer, vendor, and account names consistent. Clarity in names and memos makes matching more reliable. Review your matches regularly, especially during your month-end process, and reconcile your accounts so everything ties out. And if you ever need to dial automation up or down, return to the gear icon on this page to fine-tune those settings.